What is it like to come here to see this, to see Daybell representing herself as someone who has worked this case in Idaho?
It's interesting. It's kind of what I expected it would be. I watched a little bit on TV, but I'm just down here to support Colby and Kay and be here for those guys.
As someone who knows Daybell well, what is it like to watch her act as her own attorney and cross-examine people?
Like I said, it's kind of what I expected. I've listened to her speak before. I kind of know kind of the way she is, and so to hear her and to hear the things she's saying, some of it's surprising, just on areas on what she's going towards and the questions she's asking. But overall, I think that's Lori.
Why was it important for you to be here to support people like Colby?
Because we've been through this together for 5 years. I've gotten to know Colby really well, Kay, Larry, everybody. So I'm just here for them, and I think it's important. They need to know that.
Justice is something that law enforcement works towards. What would it mean to see justice here in Arizona?
I mean, it's all part of the same thing, right? From Idaho to here. And so it was important for us to get justice there. I think it's just as important here.
What was it like being in there on the other side? Like, this isn't your case, you're kind of there as an observer.
Right, I was hoping it would be a lot less stressful, but you still kind of have that anxiety, and you still feel for the victims and the family that have to kind of hear that and go through all that again. And we wanted to come down to support, I think Ray mentioned it, I think we wanted to support the law enforcement here because they supported us in Idaho, and the victims and their families, and get the justice that we feel like they deserve.
Was there anything that stuck out to you about today?
No, I was really interested to see how it was, with her representing herself, how that was going to go, and some of the stuff's really hard to listen to, and so, but nothing that was like shockingly new to me, but just kind of interesting how that her defending herself's going.